Indigenously developed Train 18 has completed a successful trial run and has crossed the 180 km/h speed mark on the Kota-Savai Madhopur section. Train 18 is non-ferried by one engine at the front, and instead, each bogie in the train has an electronic motor that propels it. Developed by the Integral Coach Factory based in Chennai, the train is set to eventually replace Shatabdi Express and will become India's fastest train when it starts operations. OnePlus has announced that it's going to set up its largest research and development center in India. The new R&D center will be located in Hyderabad and will begin operations in the first quarter of 2019. The company will also set up its next experience store in Hyderabad. The first experience store was opened in Bengaluru in the early 2017, and it's a store where buyers can try out OnePlus's latest models and accessories. A report suggesting that Google might soon shut down its messaging app Hangouts for the masses soon is untrue. Real-time communications product lead at Google, Scott Johnston, tweeted that the company currently has no plans to end the service. However, Hangout users will be migrated to Chat and Meet, which are said to encompass all features of the existing service. To recall, Hangouts was introduced by Google back in 2014, and it took over the company's previous messaging services like Talk and Messenger. Saavn Music and Radio app on the Apple App Store has been renamed to JioSaavn Music and Radio. This development comes 8 months after Jio announced that it would merge its JioMusic audio streaming app with Saavn. Jio prepaid and postpaid subscribers can download the app and enjoy a free Saavn Pro membership for 90 days. The new merged app is yet to show up on Google Play Store though, but interestingly, the JioMusic app has Saavn Media Private Limited listed as its developer. The final date of getting your faulty iPhone battery replaced at lowered cost is December 31st. According to Apple's battery replacement program, those who own an iPhone 6 or above are eligible to get their faulty batteries replaced from Apple at a discounted price of Rs 2,000 instead of 8,200 rupees. The company announced the program last year after users found out that it's throttling performance on iPhones with degraded batteries. So that is the Digit Daily for today. We'll be back with another round of tech news for you tomorrow. Till then, you can subscribe to Digit.in and don't forget to hit the bell icon.